Today's topic is monsoon vegetable growing. And you see these seed packets? We are going to talk about these and how to prepare the seed beds, then how to prepare the soil and their manure and fertilization, and about everything we are going to tell. Okay, let's begin then, friends. This is Kumud from Kumudni's Home Gardens. So friends, let's begin with these beautiful flowers from my garden. These are Sadabahar, called Vinca also. Already shown you these vines, and this is our apple gourd vegetable vine, and this is a summer vegetable vine. I mean this has been sown in summers during May, and then it has grown this much. Monsoon is at our doorstep and it is still growing. So the question might arise whether we should still grow these summer vegetables. Yes, we should grow, because the summer temperatures and monsoon temperatures are almost the same. You see, hardly any difference. The temperature remains in 30s and 40s. This is my cucumber vine, and you see it has grown so tall. I had to put this trellis again. So the reason is clear why we should grow the same vegetables in monsoon also, because of the temperatures and because of the plentitude of water. We get rainwater, free water, and this rainwater is no less than a good fertilizer for our plants, right? So we have to grow all these vegetables. This is my lemon plant, and good quantity of lemons I am getting. Very pleasing, very delightful, very happy to see these vegetables growing so well. So let's start what all we can grow, friends. I'll be writing on the screen also what all we have to grow, and you can grow all the salad vegetables, these spices like adrak, ginger, turmeric, then arbi also. You can grow all kinds of gourds. You can grow round gourd, then pointed gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, you name it, and so many kinds of gourds are there. These are round radishes, friends. You see, I have already harvested a few radishes. There is one more, right? A few of them are left still, and you see these seedlings. These are bottle gourd seedlings, friends. And as I can't be keeping all these seedlings, because it is difficult to grow so many, and they are going to make very good vines, so I am going to distribute some of them to my friends. So these monsoon vegetables I have already sown, friends. These are like about 10 days back. I put the seeds in the soil, and now they are ready as seedlings. These are bitter gourd, and this one I am forgetting, but this is also some gourd. So friends, the idea is how to grow these seeds. See, the difference between summer seedling and these monsoon seedlings is that in summer seedlings you don't have to make a raised bed for seeds. But in monsoon, you have to make slightly a raised bed, so that when rain falls, the surplus water, just don't stay there, and your seeds don't get rot, because excess water will make them rot. So you have to take care of this thing. This is one thing. And if you talk about the seedling soil, so the seedling soil, you put half of the cow dung manure or some vermicompost or any good compost, your homemade compost, and soil, sand, then some neem khali, and put your seeds inside the soil. Like, the thicker the seed is, the deeper it will go. So then cover it and water it, and after a week or 10 days, the seeds will germinate. They'll become good seedlings like this. So this is about seedling soil. Then once these plants start climbing, you have to make some kind of trellis. You see, for the trellises, you need these bamboo sticks, and these bamboo sticks are easily available in some bamboo shops, and you will always find them closer to some seed shop. So you can buy it. You should buy these bamboo sticks to make trellises, and use them for the vines. This is very important, friends. So once your seedlings start climbing, you need to put some compost again in them, and wait for the next harvest. Usually it about 2 months to grow, to make a good vine and starts flowering and giving you fruit. So you should do it. And although you will still be getting your summer vegetable, the summer plants, and you don't have to take them out. You can still have them, but the fruit will start getting a little small. So after some times, you might have to take them out, the whole plant, and make the bed again to sow some new plants. So you don't have to take them out right now, but prepare these seed beds, and prepare the beds for your monsoon.